Some of you might still be in that place. Just trying to get out. That's all it is. I can take it. You turn my little companies, take what you want later. So you will take this thing off his words before I say it. Just in the way, don't let you stop me too close and later. When I say it, when you stop my dude, I'll give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me, so fuck the world, see the thing. Get stuck, you think you're stopping me? I'ma be what I set out to be. You try to bleed, and I'll assume the count on me. I'm tearing down the balcony. No advance of us, I'm trying to ask you why I have to. From this to the down to the nasty half-time. We don't start this shit right. We got Casey in the house tonight. We don't start this shit right. I got Tiffany in the house tonight. Come on.
Swan! Wala pang ikawan.
Tatted, I get the bus like